people think that this thing is going to last forever the way it is, you're absolutely sadly mistaken. AI DJs are coming to take your jobs. They are going to get booked. They are going to be permanent residences in clubs, and there's going to be a complete shift in how people party and listen to DJ music. Now, I say that to say,
Okay.
the shift will then have a complete other side to it.
But there's always a counter
There's
shift to the shift.
there's a revolution.
Mm-hmm.
There's a rebellion. And you know what's going to blow up? And I hope you say this so that in 5 years you go, man, Walsh was right. Are you ready?
What?
Live music.
Live music.
Live instrument music is going to blow up. It is going to take off like it never has. You see those the little man with up on the street where you passing, you throw him a toonie, you know? That guy is now going to have a talent that AI, no matter how good it gets, for right now, is not going to be able to duplicate, which is being offbeat, which is being, and AI can replicate that, but the soul of watching a human play instruments will now become, wow. There will be a moment where people will get so much AI, so much, that when you see a man play the piano,
It's now.
you're going to be like,
Amazing.
yo, because an AI is going to play the piano better than him. But when you see a human play the piano, you're going to go, yo, I need to see that. I'll buy a ticket to go see that.
What you're describing is like right now what's happening with records, vinyl, where people are now buying vinyl. Vinyl is being sold in record numbers.
Shout out to my vinyl bar, Dante's. I wish you had a chance to go down there, man. But yeah, Dante's vinyl bar in Miami, Dante's Hi-Fi, at Dante's Hi-Fi. Please go check it out.
You like the alley hoop, right?
Yeah, man. Yo, vinyl has been the best thing to happen to me.
Yeah.
The resurgence of vinyl. I kept my vinyl. I decided not to sell it. Best thing I ever did. Now I have a home for my vinyl that actually has a bar in front of it that I can make money, have a good time, bring my friends over. Guys, go to Wynwood in Miami and check out my bar. If you haven't seen me, that's why, because I've been making sure that the bar does well. But overall, that's exactly what I'm talking about. The live experience, the throwback, the thing you walked past and said, whatever. Sure. That's now going to become the big ticket selling thing. It's going to be what people do. Just like how you see a bunch of people doing this now, a bunch of people are going to go, oh shit, I need to learn an instrument if I want to get what I was getting when I walked past the guy who played the instrument.
Yeah.
Now the guy who plays the instrument, yo, he's going to shoot right up the girl.
Who's the man?
Yeah, man. He or she's the man. And he or she's the man or the woman. And you're going to realize, yo, jazz, orchestras, those things are going to become so popular soon. Live bands, there's going to be a revolution that's going to go under the moniker support live music. AI is going to become so ingrained in our society, it's going to become a part of everything, that the revolution slogan in music will be support live music. And that will take flight. And it will be big.
Right.
Watch me tell you.
Counterculture, there's always a counterculture. So what you're saying seems to make sense.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.